Hello, my name is Thuan Tran with Morpheus Data, and today we'll be discussing the ServiceNow custom CMDB mapping. With the configuration management integration between Morpheus and ServiceNow, Morpheus allows customers to create configuration items in the ServiceNow CMDB through the Morpheus integration. Whenever a customer creates a new instance in Morpheus, Morpheus will then automatically create the corresponding configuration item inside of the CMDB in ServiceNow. Today, we're going to take a look at customizing that CI mapping between Morpheus and ServiceNow to add additional fields between Morpheus to ServiceNow to update certain attributes that are needed inside of that CMDB table. Let's go ahead and take a look. Inside of Morpheus, let's go to the ServiceNow integration under Administration Integrations. Click the Edit button inside of the ServiceNow integration. You'll see a field called CMDB Custom Mapping. In here is where you can map custom CMDB CI attributes in ServiceNow to Morpheus variables. Morpheus out of the box will write certain CI data to the CMDB. But for additional information to certain CI attributes, you can go ahead and customize those in this table. As you can see in the example, we've added information about the environment attribute, FQDN attribute, install date attribute, serial number attribute, name attribute, model number attribute, and owned by attribute from ServiceNow. And we've mapped them to the appropriate Morpheus variables. Let's go into ServiceNow and see how we got the names for these attributes. In ServiceNow, if you go to the CI in the appropriate CI table, you can go ahead and see what attributes are being set. One way to do that is under Key Attributes for Actions, go and look for Show XML. When the XML screen shows up, you'll see that under the table or the CI that it's being written to, you'll see all the attributes that that table contains. Inside of the brackets is the actual sysid of the attributes, and from here you can take the sysid and populate them into the integration pane. That is the ServiceNow sysid of the attribute. To go ahead and get the Morpheus variable to correspond to that sysid, you can go to the variables table in the docs.morpheusdata.com and take a look at the instance attributes that you want to map between Morpheus and ServiceNow. If you would like to map a server attribute, you would have to put the !container.server in this format to pull that data in. Just be cautious and understand that inside of ServiceNow, if your attribute is linked to a table, make sure that that table can accept the corresponding data outputs from the Morpheus variable. Thank you very much for reviewing this video. Have a good day.